Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is my 96 Ram 3500 with a 12 valve Cummins. I'm just going to do an overview on it. So this truck's all got a southern body on it. I painted it myself this summer. It's pretty dirty right now. Ontario winter for you. So this truck's sitting on a 2-inch level. And these are 285 75/16s, so they're like 33 inches tall, stock dually wheels. Sits pretty good. It's running a Bora 2-inch spacer between the rear duals. They were rubbing before I had those, so that gives it lots of clearance. Truck's pretty wide. This is the bed I've been working on for it, kind of a Western hauler style bed. It's got this drop down here and a BW turnover ball there. And I got a built-in hitch in the back bumper here too. Some nice wide steps. I will be building boxes in the sides here, and then these will be getting doors as well. And once it's all done, I'm going to get it sandblasted and powder coated white to match the rest of the truck. I'll probably put a black bed liner on the deck as well. And underneath, I just built these traction bars for it. 2-inch quarter wall DOM and a 4-inch straight pipe just dumped right there under the bed. There's my logo there. If you need a flatbed built or any custom fabrication, hit me up. I'll be having blueprints for this bed for sale on my website soon. Okay, let's check under the hood. You got the hood opened up. See, this truck's had a full frame off restoration. The frame's galvanized. Everything's powder coated. Got the Sinister diesel intake horn. Mishimoto intercooler boots. So it's running a K27 Borg Warner turbo. Nothing too crazy. Stock manifold still. And then I've got the power-driven diesel head bolts, 4K governor springs, 5x12 injectors, 025 delivery valves in there. You can see I got a fleece coolant bypass there as well. Missing one battery, stole it for my tractor. And it's also got a fully built 47RE. And I'm running that with this Firepunk Anteater controller. So that's been a bit of a learning curve, but it works pretty good. Let's show under here. Got some leaks. Just a dirty old work truck. Gets the job done. Yeah, if you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. And probably make some more videos on it later.